Centralia College was founded in 1925. It's the oldest community college in the state of Washington. We have the main campus here is on 40 acres and has about 500,000 square feet. We also, during that 20 years, established a campus on the east end of the county, about 55 miles from here, and that's in the town of Morton, and we call that Centralia College East. The problem we had was we had one system for text messaging, we had another system for email, we had another system to put screen alerts on all of our networked computers, okay, and we had an audible system as well. And in order to get the notification out to everybody, we'd have to open up 4 systems and get that notification out. You're on the back 40, okay, and if something happens, you got to run to a desk, log in. I mean, that's valuable time. So our inspiration for doing this, unfortunately, had to do with some of the bad events that were going to happen across the country, where the trustees were concerned, the faculty were concerned, the students were concerned, administration was concerned. We're all concerned about how do we react to these situations.
So when we were first introduced to InformaCast, we were introduced by our vendor Ednetics, who did our voice over internet phone replacement project. As part of that project, they encouraged us to look at a mass notification system that would work well with Cisco phones. So the SingleWear team came out and introduced the product to us. We realized it was very well integrated with most modern technologies. As a software engineer, I immediately saw the value and integration with many of our existing systems. When we send our alerts out, basically what we get is it goes out to every group. It also hits our digital signage, which we've integrated tightly through an API, through the InformaCast API. So any of the digital displays on campus, we've got them in every building. It goes to every Cisco phone. It goes to every desktop computer station in a public student-facing environment, so computer labs, student kiosks. It goes to every single person's cell phone that are signed up with the system, and it goes to every single person's home phone if it's signed up in the system, their emails, and every text message. So basically it covers the entire scope of our student, faculty, and staff.
So we actually had an event on campus. We used InformaCast to tell people, A, we had an assault, which is part of our requirement to notify. So we met that requirement, and then we posted what we were doing in the meantime. And we ended up apprehending the individual. He was arrested, and we sent the message out. The individual, the perpetrator, was identified and arrested by police. All is clear, come on back, etc.
When we trigger a message with InformaCast, we'll use the mobile application for life and limb. Because we don't really want to be tethered to our desks. We're all working individuals here at Centralia College, so our vice presidents or their leadership might be in a different building from where they would normally operate. We built some templates to allow for very quick responses. Weather closures are generally done from home, also with the mobile app if need be. Around the whole campus, we have the desktop client that's installed, and we also have panic buttons on the phones. Yes, this was definitely a move to try to consolidate our systems and save us time in the event of a life and limb emergency. That's absolutely what you need.
What we're looking at right now is getting the message out quickly, succinctly, and clearly. And for certain alerts, it gets blasted all over campus in every avenue possible. And that's what we like about the system and what we like about the mobile app. In today's world, when things happen so fast, that's just good stewardship. Be able to let people on campus know, or your constituents, you know, whether they're on campus or not, know what's going on.
We have InformaCast because it will save lives. I mean, it's the truth.